Oh my god.
Why are you hurting her?
Now
Oh my
let's
gosh.
do a
Oh my gosh.
voiceover of this video.
Go stand up.
Someone is about to attack. And Shab is the escape artist. Oh, galing oh. Escape artist. And not just that, the tumbling princess. Oh no, stopped by Anya. And then boom, the penalty for stopping.
Says ouchie first one.
See? Oh, she's about to attack. Jump in the bed. Boom! Yun ang power, oh. From here, oh. Parang palaka. And a tumbling. That would hurt her neck. Boink. Boink. At this moment, Shelby realized she made a mistake. Boink. Boink. Hulog. Hulog si Shelby. But one more try. And then Anya will try to attack her. Anya's telling him, my final move is coming. Be prepared. And Shelby responds with a split. Oh my gosh. So Anya, okay, prepare for this. At this point, Anya realized his mistake. Boo! The gorilla Donkey Kong Jr. attacks. Boo! Kick to the face. Kick to the face. Congratulations, Annie.
Oh my
You
gosh. Ano yan? Sapol ba yun?
Victorious. And the tumbling again.